All right. Welcome back to the Sawmill, everyone. I'm Mike, it's Appalachian Farmstead, and I'm using this. It's 18 inches at this end, 20 at that end. I've got my stinking toe board up. So how I did that was I actually, so this log was actually sitting here in the grapple, the skid steer. So before I even got in, I just kind of guessed, put it up, put it on here. So it's probably going to be a rough go of it for the first couple cuts because this blade ain't so hot. Last time I milled, got dirt in the carburetor, went idle, and I was trying to cheat it to finish up, had my hand on the throttle, and I didn't raise it up far enough, and I was backing up the head, and it flew off and tried to cut the front cover off. So, yeah. So I just spent, 35 minutes tearing the carburetor off, cleaning that out. Thanks, Jerry. Great guy. Check out Jerry over at Bigelow Woodcraft. I was on the phone with him for a half hour or so, mainly just talking, but he talked me through that miserable carburetor because I am no mechanic. I can tell you that, guys and girls. Jerry told me he run his governor full wide. I put mine up one. I'm going to see how it does. But I've got it running, warmed up, rocking and rolling. What else? So this is all going to be, I'm turning this whole miserable thing into 1-inch boards. This is all going for, I'll have boards left over, but this is all going for the goat hut I'm building. So, and then I can use 1-inch boards for the other project I got going. So that's what this is going to be turned into. I'm going to take this down to whatever the cant it's going to make. I'm guessing, what is it? I don't know. 12-inch cant, 11-inch cant, and rest of it will be going on the bucking table. Take these boards down, and hopefully tomorrow I'll finish that goat hut off and I can get my goats in there. So, all right. So let's make this happen, Captain. I am definitely not going to try to flip this one. I'm going to use the skid steer. God dang it! Freaking mouse in here, son of a... You son of a... You are really wanting to piss me off, Log. Jesus. That freaking outside round I have laying there, it's one causing me all the problems. Stupid thing. Ugh. Try getting this thing over. Why'd that stop? Ugh. Ugh. All right, had to shut you down there. Battery's getting low. Rain was coming down the mountain. So it's been kind of wave after wave of rain. But mill's all cleaned up. And I ended up with 9 1x12s by 10 feet long. This one here is going to have to get cut off. That's all foobar down there. And then 2 9-inchers and a 7-inch. Those are the flitches. So I don't know whatever that is, but 150 board feet. Pretty cool. So, well, Frontier's running good. Everything's back to normal now. Idles, everything's good. So, thanks for watching. Catch you later.